What's up, traders? A quick one here on nat gas, gold, silver, and crude oil. Starting with natural gas. But before that, let me show you what I've said in my last video so that we can connect the dots from there. Now, at this point, we can either get a retest of this box, this channel, and then a continuation towards the upside here on Oanda. I'm going to go through currency.com in a moment so we can have this move, or we can also get push up, pull back, a bullish engulfer, and a continuation. These all are my entry conditions. Now price can also form a bearish engulfer right at the hit of the zone, something like this. If it won't forms a double top, it can still forms a bearish signal right at the hit of this area of value. Nice one. So what do we have? Price did react from my zone right here, my yellow zone. It did push down, but we did not get any sort of reason to enter sell trade. But as you can see, this zone has reacted nicely and pushed the price down. And I've already mentioned you that if you're in a buy trade, this is a zone where you want to exit your trade. If you were in a trade and if you have exit your trade, that's good. You have made some money from the break till here. Or if you're in a trade using the double bottom pattern mentioned in my weekends video, then you have made some money in a buy trade. Now what to expect from here, as mentioned in my yesterday's video, that we can either get a sell signal here or a pullback to this channel right here. And once we get a pullback, I'll be looking for engulfers from here. Now prices are trading above 50 EMA. If I see a bullish engulfer here, or let's say if the price falls to 50 EMA and forms a bullish engulfer here, in that case it will be my buy signal. So what I'm looking at, I'm only looking at a bullish region to enter, which is my bullish engulfer at this point. Once I have that, we are good to go long. So keep the zones ready, as mentioned in my yesterday's video. If the price hit this zone, the rejection box, as mentioned yesterday, in that case we look for sell reason to enter. If we have that, we'll go short. But for now, I'm just looking for buy condition, which is one of my bullish engulfing candle again. So keep looking for that. We are still bullish for nat gas, as mentioned yesterday. Right here on Oanda, price pushed up. We had a pullback to this channel. Now I'm waiting for a bullish engulfing candle. Now if this candle closes as a bullish engulfing candle, in that case we have a valid buy signal. If this candle won't close as a bullish engulfer, and then in that case I want to see few red candles, maybe hit of 50 EMA, and then a bullish engulfing candle right here. Once we have that, we are good to go long here on Oanda. And this is the zone again. I want to enter my sell trade using one of the entry pattern, which is bearish engulfers, double top. So this is the zone above is my selling zone, and I will use a double top entry pattern if we have a valid condition. The zone above is 2.323, goes up to 2.423. I've just redone the zone, a minor changes, so have these zones on the chart and look for conditions accordingly. Again, bullish engulfer here is your buy signal, or hit of this 50 EMA followed by bullish engulfer is your buy signal. So keep looking for entries. We are still bullish for nat gas, not selling unless and until price is above 50 EMA. Let's check gold. Right, so as mentioned in my yesterday's video, we did have a push up to 50 EMA, and as you can see, 50 EMA reacted as a good resistance and price has pushed down from 50 EMA. So at this point, I'm still not taking any sort of buy trade, and as you can see, price is just making lower low and not breaking above this trend, and we can still get another retest and a possible fall. And right here, price is just pushing down nicely in this channel, and we can have a possible fall to the next level of support, which is 1959.55, goes down to 1947.34, a zone from where I want to enter my buy trade with engulfers or my double bottom entry pattern. Have these zones on the charts. I'm still bearish for gold. Nice one. Silver has now pushed down to the level I've mentioned in my yesterday's video. Now I want to see a good reason to enter, which is maybe push down inside in between this zone followed by a bullish engulfers or my double bottom entry pattern. So once we have that condition to enter, or a pin bar, 382 candle, all of them are my buy condition. Once we have that, we are good to go long. For now, I'm not taking any long trades until the price gives me a signal to enter long trade. We might get a pullback and get a bearish engulfer here. I can still get a push down in between this zone, which is 24.02, goes up to 24.60, from where we're going to enter our buy trade. So this whole zone is my buying zone. For now, I'm just looking for my sell opportunity. Nice one. Crude oil is pushing down nicely, as mentioned in my yesterday's video. 50 EMA push down, bearish engulfer, and now price is pushing down. I'm still expecting a price to hit my zone below, which is a minor zone. 74.84 goes down to 73.42, a zone from where I will look for my buy trades with bearish, bullish engulfer, double bottom spin bars. For now, I want to see a pullback, few green candles followed by another bearish engulfer, and price can keep on pushing down. And as you can see, the price has just made a new low, so that's a signal that price wants to continue to push down in a trend. We can expect a few green candles pull back, hit of 20 EMA, and a likely fall down. So that's it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always DM me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next one. Till then, take care.